Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because we are going to be opening up the Whiff box for February. So I'm super excited to see what's in here. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm so excited because I just got my Whiff box. I got it yesterday and I unboxed my box that it came in, but I did not open my Whiff box. I like to do my videos separate so that you guys can look at whatever it is that you're interested in seeing. And so I'm excited to open it up. All right, so let's see. We're gonna look at the same time here. Oh, there's a warmer in there. Okay. Oh, it's got a light from within. Okay, so we got this Plant Dreams and Grow Happiness. Very cute, very springy. And right away I see, okay, now this box is $35, okay? This is a $25 warmer. And it's the light from within. So let's go ahead and open it up. So excited. Let's check it out. I have the full size of this one. All right, let's see. So it has all the stuff to plug it in. Ah, it's so pretty. This is a really pretty one. And I like putting different light bulb colors in there. So that's what we got. Very pretty. I love that. All right, what else did we get? Oh, we got a Go-Go Mango Travel Twist. That was a tongue twister. Go-Go Mango Travel Twist. If you've never seen a travel twist, it's really cool. So you open it up. I like to put these in my purse. Oh, man, that's good. Okay, so it has these little open holes. You see that? And then you just turn it. And when you turn it, it changes how open it is. So you can decide how much scent you want. I always like to leave it right there and stick it right in my purse. Ooh, that's a good one. Go-Go Mango. I love that. So I'm excited to get that. What else do we have? Oh, we got some washer whiffs. Luna washer whiffs. Those are awesome. I love me some washer whiffs. Oh, I got a couple bars. Oh, okay. So this is from the new release collection, and I'm super excited to have it. It's Raspberry Hibiscus Tea. I am not going to do a scent review on it yet because I'm going to do a scent review of all of the 10 new release scents. And I don't want to spoil the surprise because I haven't smelled it yet. So I got Raspberry Hibiscus Tea. And this one I have smelled and I've had made samples of it already. And it's also a new release and it's Tropic Nectar. And I love this bar. So I'm super excited. And they gave me a misshapen cotton cleanup. So, poor cotton cleanup. This one's a mess. That's all right. So basically, if you're not using cotton cleanups, you are missing out. I'm obsessed. And so what you do is you just pop this up like that. Stick it in your warmer. I believe it does about 8 cubes. So love this. Love, love, love. So I got all that. So like I said, I got the warmer. I got the bar of Raspberry Hibiscus Tea. I got the Tropic Nectar bar. So those are new releases that drop on March 1st. I have a cotton cleanup and a Go-Go Mango Travel Twist. I really have to focus saying that. I don't know why that's so hard for me. Oh, and I got the Luna washer whiffs. So I'm excited for that. So that's everything. That was an awesome, awesome Whiff box. I love when you get warmers. That's fantastic. So that's everything. So I will definitely be dropping my link below, and you can order yourself a Whiff box. You can order it once. You can gift them, which is amazing. This is actually a really good one to gift because you get a warmer, you get a couple bars, and you get the cotton cleanups. So that's great. So you can get it once, you can send one to somebody, you can get it monthly in a Scentsy club, you can get every 2 months in a Scentsy club, or every 3 months in a Scentsy club. But I love it. So that is the Whiff box for February 2023. I got it right. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.